Okay, I'm just going to show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Golf. Normally everything's controlled from the radio, but if you go onto the radio there's nothing. So what you have to do in the center of the dashboard and using these buttons here, if you see, if I click the left arrow or the right arrow, it takes you to different screens. You see their language. What we have to do, we get to Bluetooth or the phone there. So once you've got to your phone, if your phone's paired, if it's not, you can't get this menu. So get to your phone and then click OK. Then we click down until we get to Bluetooth. See settings there and Bluetooth. So on Bluetooth, click OK, the center, and you've got user. Well, I'll go through user, new user, visibility, media player, phone name, bag. Now you as I say, it's not immediately obvious. So user, click OK on user, and then you get a list of the phones, and you see there Barry's iPhone, that's of course that's me, and Julie's phone. So if I click on Julie's phone, you've got connect, rename and delete. So delete Julie's phone, OK. That's it gone. Now I'm going to delete my phone as well. So on my phone you've got connect, disconnect, rename, delete, OK. So you can only seem to delete a mobile when you've got when it's connected. What I usually do when I'm doing these is delete my phone first and then delete it from the system, but if you do that you can't delete it from the system. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Golf. So first of all we have to make sure Bluetooth is on, and it's another one I need three hands for rather. So basically from any screen here you just have to get to this Bluetooth or this screen, no paired phone found, new user, click new user, OK. Looking for mobile phone. If we go to the bottom here you'll see it show up, it's looking. I may well have confused it a little bit because it's been paired and I've just deleted it. So we'll see what happens. Right, it's brought up Barry's iPhone 11 there on the screen. Nothing here, we'll click OK there. Here we go, Bluetooth pairing request 433717 pair. Confirm password with OK, 433717, OK. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. It's now connecting on the screen. Barry's iPhone user profile created, connected with the phone, and it's connected here. It's so hot today that my cameras are overheating and switching off, so I'll have to be quick here. The other good thing with this system is if we go to iTunes there, you see the bottom, the silver triangle, and then there's three silver circles. If you just click on that, you'll see VW phone. So it's, yeah, that's one of my cameras switching off. So here we go. So if we click OK, and then what we have to do, if you can see from this camera, because this one's switched off, Bluetooth audio media. If you've clicked to media and then just click till it's showing Bluetooth audio, we'll turn that up. Let me see, turn that down, turn that up, turn it up on the phone. All alone, so I came up. There you go, that's it. Can't play it too long, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike. But that's how it works.